Hi poets! Here's a quick guide for how to leave comments in the margins in Google Docs for your peers when we are workshopping poems. So the first thing you need to do is select a part of the text using your mouse that you want to comment on, and it's usually best to select a single word or a couple of words rather than a whole stanza or a whole line, unless your comment is referring to the line as a whole and what you want to say about it. But just select the part of the text that you're really trying to focus for your comments. And then over here you'll see some options open up, and what you want to do is choose the Add Comment option. You're just going to click on that and a comment bubble will open. And then you leave your comment, and again remember to be as specific as possible. Try not to just say, oh, I like this. If you like it, why do you like it? What's working? What pulls you in? And here I would probably, if I were doing this in real life, I would add more to this comment. I would say because and explain why the title intrigues me. The other thing to consider is in Google Docs, if you're logged in to your Google account, it will show your name here. If you use a different name than a name we all would recognize, then you should leave your name as part of your comment, both so your peers know who the comment is coming from, and so I know who the comment is coming from and can give you credit for your work. So, you can leave just your first name, that unless there's another person in class with your first name, make sure you put your last initial then. And then you just click this comment blue bubble. Another good thing to know about leaving comments is if I read somebody else's comment in class and agree with it or want to challenge it, I can click on that comment and add a reply so we can get a thread going of comments where we're all talking about the same thing and contributing to the conversation. So several different ways that you can make use of this ability to talk about your poems with one another. And I look forward to seeing how all of it goes.